Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy agua de plátano. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, I'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin blending. Alright guys, so to the blender cup, add 4 bananas. The riper they are, the better. Along with 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of milk, a piece of cinnamon, our Mexican vanilla blend, pinch of salt, and sweetened condensed milk. Depending on how sweet you want your agua, then it depends on how much you're going to add. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Ready? And once we have that, we can transfer it to our pitcher. And now we just add our cold water. I like to make sure that it is nice and cold. Now we just mix it. And here you can taste it and see if you need to add more sugar or if you want to dilute it a little bit. But this for me, it's always perfect. Just like that, we can now get ready to serve. All right, now cheers and enjoy. This right here, seriously the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. I have made my super easy and delicious agua fresca de plátano. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.